Hello, welcome to the AXINO Small Cap Investor Channel. Today I have the opportunity to talk with Gordon Deans, President and CEO of the Vancouver-based Aurora Solar Technologies, which is a green energy IT company. The experienced product developer has identified the need of control systems for the solar cell manufacturers to increase their efficiencies and profit margins. More than 80% of today's solar cell production is in China. This is Aurora's primary market, where it has established business relationships with a top Chinese manufacturer and has already sold its so-called DM measurement system more than 100 times. DM is a hardware quality control system, helping the cell producers to increase their gross margin, which is roughly 15 to 20% and not that high. The solar industry is growing by 25% on an annual basis, and the top Chinese companies have communicated strong growth plans over the next 5 years. Therefore, Aurora's vision is to become the #1 quality control system provider for the solar industry. Now I want to hear from Gordon Deans why he believes that Aurora's newest development, a software control system called Insight, will increase the company's profile, margin, and substantially why the second product is going to be potentially the catalyst for much higher valuation of the Aurora stock. Gordon, welcome to our studio in Germany. When are you going to launch Aurora's newest software control system Insight and sell it to the Chinese manufacturer?
Thank you, Wolfgang. We expect to be releasing the product to the market in the second half of 2020. As you know, we've been working on this product now for 2 years, and we already have it in operation with 2 beta customers in the field.
That's good. But as Aurora has already the top manufacturer as their clients, do you think that you do have an advantage to be successful with the installation of Insight, and what is your strategy to achieve that?
We absolutely do have an advantage. Because we have existing relationships with our customers through our existing DM products, that means that we know the customers, we have built a relationship which is very important in our markets, and we're going to exploit those relationships to add extra value to the customers with our new product.
I think that's a really advantage. And do you think you can also grow your hardware sales as well? And what is the potential revenue scenario you're estimating for the next 2 years, for example, which include income from the software as well?
Our customers have ever-increasing expansion plans, and as you have stated already, with a 25% annual growth rate in the industry, we will be expanding our hardware sales, and we expect to see up to double our revenue in the next fiscal year from the current fiscal year, and we see it continuing to increase rapidly thereafter.
Okay, that's a number. And what is the current burn rate you have in your organization per year, and when do you expect profitability with your 2 products?
With our current sales, we're very, very close to break even. And as we increase the sales and also we add the software product, we anticipate that we will reach break even within the next 18 to 24 months.
Gordon, our investors like the scalability of a business model. Do you see any additional markets you could enter with your patented infrared measurement solution?
Wolfgang, as you know, we invented that infrared solution, and it's proprietary and very versatile. The customers that we have for it within the solar industry see advantages for that particular method of measurement that go beyond the existing traditional methods. We've also looked into the flat panel display industry, and we know from working with our research partners and also with speaking to people in the industry that the infrared technology would be a very good fit for some of the measurement needs as they evolve in that industry.
That sounds really interesting, but now let's switch to the corporate structure of the company, which is listed on the Canadian Venture Exchange and also in Frankfurt. I have seen increasing trading volume over the past weeks and months. That might be in line with your recent successes in sales. Would you agree on that?
Well, as you know, most of our recent news has been announcing a series of contracts that we've achieved with our customers in China and also elsewhere. So I could speculate that that would be the cause of the recent trading activity, as well as more and more awareness of the importance of our solutions within the green technology industry.
With 88 million shares outstanding, the company's current market cap is approximately 10 million Canadian dollars. Last week you have announced a capital increase for at least $1.5 million. So additional shares will be issued. Do you expect the closing of the financing soon? And for what do you need the capital?
Wolfgang, as you know, there's been a great response to the financing. So we do anticipate to close fairly soon. And as far as the use of the capital is concerned, with the expansion of the business that we've been experiencing, we're going to be using part of the money to support our business and grow our existing business, but a major portion of it as well is going to be to accelerate the development and the market introduction of the Insight product.
So finally, please tell us why you are the expert in that product development world and how your team is supporting you in making Aurora a big success.
I've spent my entire career, both in very large Fortune 500 companies and also in small cap companies, developing and bringing new products to market. So I have quite a bit of experience in what goes right, what goes wrong, and how to do this successfully. The team has the right fit for all the different roles involved in getting products to market, supporting them, and making the customers extremely satisfied. So I'm very confident in our ability to get both our products that we sell today, increasing in volume sales, and also bringing our new Insight product to market successfully and making it a big hit with our customers.
And you do have a sales force in China, in Shanghai, you said, including an agent is also supporting you.
That's correct. So we have a very strong team that has excellent relationships, is right with the customers, and understands exactly what the customer's needs are and how to satisfy them.
That's cool to hear. Thank you, Gordon. That was a great explanation. Ladies and gentlemen, as you know, we are investing in management and strategies, which are the key drivers of building a successful company. Under the MiFID law, I have to outline that we are a shareholder of Aurora Solar Technologies already, and this might be a potential conflict of interest under the definition of the legal authority. Please have a look at Aurora's website and corporate presentation. I would be delighted if you would conclude after your due diligence and research that this is an excellent small cap with a lot of potential to grow. The great fact is that a green energy IT company is close to be cash flow positive through the successful sales of its hardware product line, and the boost of future revenues and profits might come into place in 2021 from the software product line. Check out the company and please ask any questions you may have. All the best. Good luck with your investments. Thank you.